Bahrain Stock Exchange, now the Bahrain Bourse, opened in 1989 with just under 30 listed companies. Now the exchange lists around 50 companies and that number keeps on growing. With me now is Fouad Rashid from the Bourse. Well, Fouad, in brief, what exactly is the Bahrain Bourse?
Bahrain Bourse is a self-regulatory organization supervised by the Central Bank of Bahrain. There are several, with the instruments that are listed on the exchange, includes equities. We have around 45 companies that are Bahraini and 5 companies non-Bahraini. And on the bonds and sukuk, we have several bonds and sukuk, and their size is a total size around $3 billion US. Plus mutual funds are listed on the exchange as well.
What do you think is the value proposition of the Bahrain Bourse?
Bahrain known to have a solid regulatory framework. On the other hand, the market is open for foreign ownership up to 100%, as well as there are no taxes imposed on the dividend nor on capital gains. There are several custodians, international and regional, operating in Bahrain, such as HSBC, Citi, and Standard Chartered.
Well, like many bourses in emerging markets, trading can be light, which might in turn discourage investors. How do you address this?
Bahrain Bourse is an institutional-driven market. More than 40% of the shares listed on the exchange are owned by non-Bahrainis. We have adopted a comprehensive strategy 2 years ago to develop the exchange, all aspects of work in the exchange. And liquidity was one of the issues we had. Now, since then, we have implemented several initiatives. We have introduced an online incentive program specifically for retail investors to participate using the online services. And at the same time, we have extended the length of the trading hours. Not only this, we are very soon going also to allow the foreign brokers to become our members, provided they are licensed by their juristic bodies. They can trade remotely without having a physical presence in Bahrain.
So how are you going about boosting listings?
We have just recently finalized drafting the new listing rules for small and medium-sized companies. And once this is launched, we expect that to happen this year. We're planning to have an extensive marketing and roadshows in Bahrain and the region this year to promote the new listings and to encourage the companies to be listed on our exchange.
Well, at the end of 2013, you rolled out 2 initiatives to raise transaction levels, including increasing trading hours. How successful has this been?
It's only 3 months since we have applied this extension, and I can say that we have seen a pickup in the trading activity. We are going to evaluate more and see what benefits that extension had on the market to take further actions.
So how did the Bahrain Bourse perform in 2013 and what are your expectations for the new year ahead?
Last year was a good year for us and in all aspects of it. First, the Bahrain All Share Index was up by 17%. The value of transactions increased by 100% and the value of transactions also were up by around 200%. This year, for the first 2 months, our index is up further by 10%, and also we are seeing more of a pickup in the trading activities.
So finally, what other initiatives were implemented?
On the technical side, we have signed a contract with Nasdaq OMX to replace the current trading systems to another system called Extreme, a more sophisticated trading system. On the awareness side, we have a joint annual program on investor relations. Also, last year we have introduced a program called the Trade Quest. Now, this program is for university students to increase their awareness on the operations of the exchanges, stock market, as well as provide them the virtual trading, to do the virtual trading. On the corporate governance aspect, we have established and implemented a comprehensive corporate governance policy. Bahrain Bourse promotes corporate governance within listed companies.
Fouad, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.